Welcome to ESL Quiz College. Do you know the English alphabet? Let's learn that first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's learn how to pronounce each letter. A, A, B, 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 C, K, K, D, 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 E, F, F, G, 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 H, I, J, 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 K, 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 L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. If you're not familiar with the sounds of the English alphabet, please practice pronouncing the sound that each letter makes. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and supporting us here at ESL Quiz College.